Hello guys, I welcome you to my another video about tools. Today let's have a look at Parkside Performance cordless Jigsaw PSSPA 20-Li A1. Just first thing I want to say is that from now I will make both Czech and English videos about tools and also some electrical stuff. If you are interested in seeing future tools or electrical videos, you can subscribe and see more English ones in future. Don't mind the Czech ones, as they carry the same information as English ones. Parkside offers total of 4 cordless jigsaws. First is just mainstream top handle PSTDA 20-Li. That's just a regular green series jigsaw for hobby use. Next one, PSTKA 12-Li, is made as a barrel type. Third is a little newer, PSSPA 20-Li, that combines jigsaw and saber saw. You are just one click and bend away from another type. Quite interesting if you ask me. But for more demanding use, we got fourth option, Parkside Performance PSSPA 20-Li A1, powered by X20V battery, with brushless motor inside, barrel type body and more precisely made than green ones. Top handle versus barrel. From what I've experienced, barrel jigsaws require some getting used to, but when your hand gets familiar with it, I can say that I have more precise cuts with the barrel one, as my hand sits closer to the material and there is less wobble. It also represents no problem for me to move the jigsaw towards me or pull it, while keeping the cut precisely straight. Also, top handle has one advantage over barrel one, being the trigger. It is easier to adjust top handle saw power because you hold it like a drill with your finger on trigger. Barrel type has just side switch and regulator is elsewhere. Jigsaw itself, being performance, it comes in performance box. The saw itself weighs 1585 grams. 2 amp-hour battery has 433 grams, while 4 amp-hour battery, which I recommend for performance reasons, adds 695 grams to the tool, having total of circa 2.3 kilograms. The weight of the tool is definitely deserved and justified, as the jigsaw has great power and moreover it's less prone to jumping while cutting. The main switch is one of two things I would make better. It is quite out of finger and its switching path requires some getting used to. It functions just like angle grinder switch. Power regulation has adjustable power from 1 to 6, with 7th being automatic power. Personally, I use 4 for metal and plastic cutting. Of course, this jigsaw comes with blade angle switch. It also with pictures to tell you which setting is for what. Useful for hobbyists. This plastic shield comes really handy because it doesn't shoot almost anything into your eyes. Nice thing if you ask me. Fortunately, it is clear and easy to see through, with help of 2 LEDs that illuminate the cut, so you don't have to be carrying a work light in dim places. Another plexiglass thing that is, for contrast, absolutely useless is this plate that goes right here. It is supposed to show you a arrow that points where you will be cutting. Sounds good? Doesn't work. The arrow is few millimeters above the surface. So if you don't look at it from exactly above, your cut won't go straight. Another common thing is this blow or vacuum setting. This rear adapter has outer diameter of 35, respectively 40 millimeters. To stay low, let me tell you about this angle setting. You unlock it, then push it a little backwards, then set the angle, push it forwards and lock it. This is for leading tool, found in the box. If we stay in the box, we find not this nice color manual with pretty colorful image. That is definitely advantage. Another advantage, not that useful though, is 3 blades that come with your tool. They come handy if you want to, let's say, cut something. You get 2 wood blades and 1 metal blade. All of them work and cut, but their lifetime is a subject of longer testing, maybe in future. Personally, I use these Bosch blades that are easy to find, but of course they aren't anything super lasting. To tell you just one more thing about blades, you need to put them out of your tool in order to put your tool in the box. This just doesn't fit. At least it does make the box a little smaller. And the last thing about blades, you have nowhere to put them in the box. So I got these magnets, double-sided tape and regular electrician's tape and made this Jigsaw blade holder. Now let's get to work. Makita. So in conclusion, I can say that this jigsaw is awesomely powerful, mainly with 4 amp hour battery. It runs like a hell. It's perfect for wood, for plastic and also for metal. Its cutting precision is great. All I can say is great. I may have not shown it in this video, but believe me, I have been using it for quite a long time and it is easy to keep within, let's say, 1 or 2 millimeters tolerance with this jigsaw without any problems. But to compare its cutting speed to steel, of course, angle grinder is winner. And by winner, I mean by far winner. But this jigsaw is useful not only for steel but also for wood and plastics. So this is its main advantage. Every tool has its place, and it's up to you if you have use for tools such like this. If you don't require a tool this good, you can cheap out and buy green version of jigsaw with handle, or the 12-volt one, or the jig saber saw. So my video has come to an end. I hope you liked it, and believe me, I'm looking forward to seeing you in another video. Goodbye.